Welcome everybody to Ajax Mitsubishi. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2024 Ford Maverick SuperCrew XLT luxury pickup truck. This has just over 23,000 kilometers on it, a one-owner vehicle, no accident history, and it's in fantastic shape. If you are shopping from home after watching this video, you'll know the condition of this Maverick as well as some of the great features, so you can make a smart decision to visit us here at Ajax Mitsubishi. Now, what's underneath the hood of a Maverick is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine connected to an automatic transmission, and this one is 4-wheel drive as well. As you can see, this is the SuperCrew, so it's got a full 4 doors on the side. You can fit 5 adult passengers in here quite easily. I was actually shocked at how much headroom there is in this truck as well. Now, as we do this tour, I will point out dings, dents, scratches if we find any. I'm also going to point out features such as these 17-inch gun metallic wheels. This is the luxury package of the Maverick, so there are some upgrades on the vehicle. We have the XLT badge here in the fender, some nice piano black side view mirrors as well. As we continue down the driver's side, you may have caught a glimpse. There is a 3-piece hard tonneau cover on the back of the Maverick, so that's a great accessory to have. Keeps things in the truck bed obviously nice and protected from the weather. As we come around the back, the Maverick logo is stamped in the back tailgate, which looks really nice. Nice big Ford logo on there as well. You'll see the all-wheel drive badge. Love this rear bumper, this step-up bumper as well. Just makes it nice and easy to get into the back, also protecting things here. And then I believe this has the 4K towing package because this is the tow hitch receiver for it. So with that being said, if it is the 4K towing package, guess how many pounds you can tow? 4K, 4,000 pounds, that's right. If not, you're limited to 2,000 pounds. So just double check with the team here to see if it does have that package. We've got a drop-in bed liner here, which I love. I think that's a great, another accessory to have. And then we have a 400-watt power outlet in the back. That's a great feature to have, so you can power up a ton of stuff back there. There's also 9 tie-down hooks in this truck bed. So I'll let you explore that when you come visit it. You roll up that tonneau cover, you're going to be able to find a ton of them there. Coming around the passenger side, everything looks nice and neat and tidy here. Again, I'm looking for dings, dents, scratches to show you the condition of this vehicle, but it's in really, really nice condition. And then as we come around the front, we got these great big headlights here. Love that look. Taking a step back so you can see the full front view. Looks really nice. Very cool, sporty front end. Hood's in great shape. This is just a 10 out of 10 for exterior condition. Now we'll take a look at the back seats and then hop in the front. So back seats, I have this driver's seat all the way back to show you there's still some leg room back here. Check out the really nice, cool fabric that we get on the Maverick. So orange contrast stitching and almost like a denim looking material on the interior. Okay, we got a center armrest there. The seats are in fantastic condition. We've got a regular power outlet plus some USB ports back here as well. And then I don't know if you did catch this, but check out this really cool door treatment that they have here. I don't know why, this really just kind of sticks out, looks really nice. Thought it was pretty cool, one to show you that. Now up front, same idea with this seats. They're in great shape. No rips, tears, stains, or burns. Oh, I had to pause. Sorry, there was a car coming. And this is a non-smoker vehicle as well. All right, now hopping inside. So the Maverick comes with Ford emergency braking with Ford collision warning. We have blind spot warning in the side view mirrors. We have lane keeping assist, a nice clear rear view camera. All the advanced safety features you would want and would think of for you and the family and whoever you have in the truck to keep everybody safe. We've got a nice gauge system up front. Lots of information can be displayed there. We have this nice touchscreen system. Interesting little cubby hole here. I'm not sure what that's for. Thought that was interesting. And then some more storage up top. Touchscreen system's nice. Apple CarPlay and a rear view camera. Throw that in reverse there so you can have a look. Makes backing up nice and easy, lining up to a trailer hitch, no problem. And then we have climate control in the front. We have heated seats and a heated steering wheel as well. A couple more USB ports, and then this really fun orange accent. The rotary shifter. All right, and then we have traction control and lane departure and all that stuff is available there, as well as our different drive modes. So the drive modes are normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport. So you can kind of choose between all 5 of those to get the right drive mode for whatever conditions or things you may be doing with your Maverick. And then last but not least, here is the Carfax 1 owner vehicle, no reported accidents. That's exactly what you want to see. So folks, you've found this really, I mean, incredible condition, low mileage 24 Maverick. Great color, great condition, possibly 4,000 pounds of towing, nice tonneau cover as well. So visit us here at Ajax Mitsubishi, get behind the wheel of your new Ford Maverick, take it out for a drive, and then call it your own. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we can't wait to see you at Ajax Mitsubishi.